Here is the #1 secret reason you should post more often on YouTube Shorts. YouTube is promoting YouTube Shorts in a major way, and now that includes enticing creators of all sizes to begin creating YouTube Shorts more frequently. YouTube has also recently announced monetization options for creators big and small, with attainable thresholds of 1,000 subscribers and 10 million views on YouTube Shorts videos. Now, you may think this is a difficult task to complete, but YouTube Shorts is the easiest way to connect with a new audience, build subscribers, and even make money. Don't let not having the newest equipment, the most fanciest camera, or a team of people stop you from creating YouTube Shorts. Posting YouTube Shorts, you can grow a community and a brand around you and your content. And some of those new subscribers could possibly watch your long-form YouTube videos as well, which could also help you reach the requirements to monetize your YouTube channel faster. You don't want to miss out on this, so start posting YouTube Shorts today. Use appropriate keywords and titles and begin your journey to becoming a successful YouTuber. Subscribe for more tips.